Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Do subscribe, like and follow the channel. So this is the third lecture on the AI. Links to the first two are available in the description. The question to what extent a computer should demonstrate the simulation of the human mind raised the idea of the strong and the weak AI. So let's see what those are. Strong AI. Strong AI means that machines act intelligently and they have real conscious minds. So, strong AI tries to recreate the functions of the inside of the brain as opposed to simply emulating the behavior. Or, in other words, instead of mimicking the human behavior, the machines tries to act or tries to develop the human behavior automatically. So, strong AI states that a computer with the right program can, in fact, be mental, like a human being is. Weak artificial intelligence just aims to solve certain problems and not on modeling the human behavior. It uses the rule based AI approach. Rule based expert systems which contain a set of rules with certain actions. So, for example, a rule can be if a person is smoker and his age is greater than the 60, then there are high chances of the lung cancer for him. So whenever a machine encounters a smoker with the age of greater than 60, the machine will predict the lung cancer for him. The second one is rule based categorization. Rule based categorization also contains a set of the rules. So for example, if a news story is mentioning the names of different sports repeatedly, then the news story will be categorized as the sports news. So, or in other words, if a feedback contains some negative words or phrases, then the feedback will be categorized as negative feedback. Strong versus weak AI. In strong AI, the algorithm is taught to help the machine act in a different situations. But in weak AI, all the actions are entered by the human beings already as in the form of the rules. There are no proper examples of the strong AI since it is still in the very initial stages. But there are several examples available for the weak AI since it has been performed several times. In strong AI, the machine has a mind of its own and can take decisions on its own. But in weak AI, the machine can just simulate the human behavior. So, to make it short, in machines built on the weak AI can only do what they are supposed to do or what they have been fed the rules of. But in a strong AI, a machine can itself strategize or make plan or take decisions. An expert system is a computer program that is designed for a certain field. This program acts as an expert in the domain. The program knowledge base contains a set of various rules and an inference engine which with the help of the knowledge base helps the program to make a decision or deduce certain facts. An example of such a system could be the health systems that take several inputs such as the body temperature, the symptoms, the blood pressure level, the sugar level, etc. And then they let you know if you have encountered a certain disease or not. Of course, the efficiency of these systems totally rely on the knowledge base. The larger and the more accurate the knowledge base is, the efficient the results of the system will be. An agent is an entity that perceives the environment through certain sensors and processes the environment on the basis of its knowledge base and then selects a suitable course of action, which is then sent to the actuators to act accordingly. So we have a task environment criteria that is PEAS. PEAS criteria is used to task the agent environment. An agent performance is a measure of its capability of producing a certain output. Environment are the effects surrounding the agent. Actuators are used to produce the output or to do a certain action. Sensors are used to take certain inputs from the agent surrounding or from the agent environment. Let's see a few examples of these, how we can actually map an agent to its task environment criteria. So here, a taxi driver performance can be measured from his driving styles, which consists of speed, of the driving, passenger comfortability, etc. and etc. The environment will be the roads with traffic signals, vehicles, or several kinds of passengers, etc. Actuators. The actuators will be steering wheel, accelerator, brakes, left or right signals or horn, etc. The sensors in this situation will be the front or back camera, the side cameras, the speedometer, the GPS, the engine sensors such as heat or etc. For medical diagnosis system. Similarly, a medical diagnosis system performance could be measured from the patient recovery or the cost. The environment could be the hospital or clinic, patients, and the staff members. The actuators could be screened to display certain reports, tests, diagnosis, and a possible set of sensors could be symptoms, images, health backlogs, test results, or reports, etc. Part picking robot. A part picking robot performance can be measured from the percentage of the correctly picked parts from floor identified by the cameras. The part picking picked and thrown into the bins using the arms which are the actuators in this scenario. Similarly, in English language tutor, PS is criteria is enlisted here. So the performance measure is maximizing the student score on a test. The environment is students or a classroom with chairs and tables. Actuators are the screen that is being displayed and the sensor is a keyboard. Hope these lectures have helped you to understand the AI at a very basic level along with its basic understanding, its applications, its approaches, and then strong and weak AI, expert systems, and then the best criteria. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment them. Have a good day, everyone. Allah Hafiz.